To manage your OneDrive, it's quite simple. You just have to right click at the cloud icon here on the bottom right. That's going to take you to the settings. You can view the files and folders by clicking open folder, so that will take you to the folder where all your files are being stored. If you click again, you're going to see view online, and as you guessed, that is the online version of the OneDrive. This is seeing my personal files, but if you go to shared libraries, TTI internet, that will take me to the cloud storage of the company. So let's just close this for now. If you like to specify which folders you would like to sync your computer, you go to OneDrive, click Help and Settings, and then over here you're going to see Choose Folders. So these are the folders that are going to be syncing with your computer. So let's try to choose some folders here. You might not need all the folders from the storage, so you just want to select the ones you actually need. So let's just keep some of these folders, and you can also dig in to inside the folders itself and select subfolders. As you can see here, I'm inside private training resources, and then there's courses. I'm going to side courses, and maybe I just want to sync the award in education training. So you choose your folders like this and then press OK. And as you can see, my folders were selected. Next to account, you're going to see backup, and the backup is just the backup of your personal folders. So we had set up that earlier. So as you can see here, it's backing up my desktop apps, documents, and pictures. So all these documents are being saved in my personal cloud. So if I go to my OneDrive account and go to my files here, you're going to see that the same folders are being backed up by OneDrive. So everything's here. In case your computer fails, your documents are saved in the cloud. Next to it is network, which you probably won't be using it. This is just to limit the connection from OneDrive to the network. Maybe it's taking too much of your internet connection. You can limit here, but I would say for better cases, just pause the syncing. If you're on a team meetings, or maybe if you're downloading something, it'll be easy if you just pause the syncing and then resume it later. In the office, it's just some odd settings that OneDrive talks about file collaboration. I will leave this untouched unless you need to do something specific, and the same goes for settings. Unless you want to change something specific here, just uncheck, but otherwise just leave it on. Well, and that's some of the main settings that you'll be using here on OneDrive.